In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Lego gun that actually shoots. This is the piece that makes the whole gun work, and I'll call it the spring piece. So first you stack 18 of these 2x4 bricks like this, so that there are 2 left. So now put a 1x4 brick in the back, and then put 2 1x6 bricks, 1 space apart, like that. So there's 1 space right there, right there. Then take 2 1x3 bricks, and then put them right there and right there. Now take 2 1x1 bricks, and then put them right there with the 1x6 bricks right before the 2x4s, and then you take a 1x2 brick with a hole, and then take a 3-stud long Technic piece, and then put it inside the hole. Then you take this 7-hole L piece, and then you put it right there, so it's all the way back there, so that there's that sticking out. Then you take the other 1x2 brick with the hole and put it on the other side, and then put that whole piece right there, so that now it looks like this. And then you take 2 1x4 bricks and 2x4 bricks, and then put them on the top, and then you take 2 1x6 bricks and then put them on the sides of the other 1x6 bricks, and then put them under there so that they're sticking out like that. And then you take 3 2x3 bricks, and then put them right there on the bottom of each of those. And put this spring piece right there, so that there are 2 studs sticking out. By this point, then the gun is functional. Like, you can put this bullet inside of the spring piece, and then when you pull on the trigger, you know it shoots, but it doesn't stay together well. So these other pieces are going to be what holds it together. So now we put a 2x3 brick right there, right in front of the 1x6 bricks, and then take a 1x3 brick and then put it right there, and then take a 2x3 brick and then put it right there, right underneath there, and then take 2 1x2 bricks and then put them on the sides of it, and then take a 2x3 brick and then put it right there. And now it's just a bunch of plates. So you take 2 1x4 plates and then put them beside the trigger, and then take 2 1x6 plates and then put them right in front of them. Then take a 1x3 plate and then put it right there in the front. then take another 1x3 plate and then put it right there. And then take a 1x4 plate and then put it right there. And the gun is done.